Hello, today I would like to show you how to change your gamepad settings in Keeper. First, go into Options, then into the Gamepad section. Right here you can change everything about the gamepad, settings to your preference. Choose the icons you would like to be shown between Xbox, PlayStation and of course Nintendo. I would suggest to keep it automatic. You can customize the vibration strength to whatever percentage you like, and you can choose your thumbstick dead zone. As you can see, there's motion detection right here. You can customize it however you like. I have a mouse and keyboard, so I cannot show you this right now. And of course, there's automatic detection of preferred gamepad. When you're happy with the choices, simply tap apply. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.